I'm
gonna get
put it in
this
a
all on
glass.
video right now.
The only thing that works for me is holding my breath and drinking a whole glass of water.
Oh, for
And
hiccups?
then you just wait and they go away.
Everyone's got their own method.
Yeah, I know, and they're all
Other
probably
people that
good.
have
The only
hiccups
reason
make me
that-
laugh.
the only
It's
reason
all
you
it's
even
all
have
about
hiccups
time.
Is your body thinks that you're not getting enough oxygen.
So essentially,
No, it's really true.
I just felt your breath all the way over
Your
here.
diaphragm. Yeah.
I get hiccups
Big one.
always.
Makes your diaphragm
Super
like
big
tweak
ones.
out because your
Sorry.
brain thinks that.
Subconscious
Worse for
stuff.
him.
Look at my eyebrows.
This is the best conversation about eyebrows and hiccups right now, all on this video.
Pulls out a phone